Right, good evening everyone. I'm looking for a bit of feedback tonight. Getting chrome plating done, as a lot of us know, is quite difficult to get it done because all the chrome plating boys are rammed with the work, which is great for them. But us to want to turn the stuff around and get it done quickly is tricky. And I've found a chrome plater that said he can help me. But one of the things he said is actually he gets a lot of people inquiring about Mark 1 Escort door handles and various other classic car door handles because they're all susceptible to getting this bad pitting. And he said you can't always get it out. So a lot of you know that I'm obviously doing the GT, but I'm also doing a lot of the work and preparation on HKM, my Mexico. So I'm going to try and make it easier for the chromer by me trying to prepare this. So what I thought I'd do, I thought I'd take the ball body on tonight. It might be a long video. It might be. I don't know. But even down to them gouges there, this phone is just unbelievable, this camera. Because it picks up on everything. Literally picks up everything. The digs, the spotting, the acne that it seems to have throughout. So what I thought I would do is do a full documented video on how I'm going to do it. So it starts now. I'm going to try and get as much on video of doing this as I can up until the point where I can't go any further, and then I have to give it to the chromer because when the chromer said to me it's difficult to get rid of the pitting, I have to respect that, but I'm going to see if I can do this myself. So there, I've got two files, and they're both cut 00, which in my world is actually quite aggressive. Now it's all right having the aggression in the cut of the file to get this down, but the downside of it is then it means an awful lot more of finer, maybe cut 4 of a file to then reduce the deep grooves, and after cut 4, maybe even a cut 6, and then after that is the progression of the sandpaper. So let's start this now. Now I'm not going to be able to see this because I'm going to be here, but I think this could be possibly quite interesting. I'm going to do this end here first. Just turn the camera around. I want to concentrate on this bit. Let me see how we go. The hard bit is filming because when you're trying to do this and the camera's to the right of you, you can't always see if you're missing what I'm supposed to be filming. I'll just move that. You can still see it. Right. Let's go with this. It's almost rolling off. Like glass. But I think maybe once I've cracked the plating, you can hear it. Once I've got through the plating, I think it's going to start to cut. You can hear it gripping the metal because the temper and the sound changes. You can hear it now because it's now the metal starting to really cut and drag through the file. See, now a lot of the pits have already gone. But you can see I've got 3 major ones there. One bullseye in the middle. Got a little one there. Hang on, see if I can just focus this. All right, that's it. So you can see I've got one there, right in the middle. One above it, slightly at 1 o'clock. One there, one there, one there, one there. But most of them have reduced. I've got a little fragment there. The others have almost gone already. Starting to go. It sounds like it's a lot worse than what it actually is, if that makes sense. And when I'm saying that, because it sounds like the filing is really aggressive, but it actually isn't. It just sounds worse than what it actually is. Tiny bit left to go. Right, so that is not too terrible. Now, if you look at the edge where it's rolled over, now that is a bit on the grim side, believe it or not. It's actually quite blistered. But when you get these deeps, it's like a deep zit. Because that one there, it's like got a star pattern to it, That's where it's gone quite deep. Let's see how this one goes. See what I mean? How the file is rolling over. See now, that one that's where it had the star pattern to it, not a lot left. That one's a bit of a bugger. This one could be a real swine. The only thing I'm worried about is making the videos too long. So I'm looking for feedback. Do I shorten the videos down? You've got to tell me this because I need to know how you lot want to see this of what I'm doing. Because it's difficult to always sort of try and get it right, you know, and sort of please everyone, if you know what I mean. That come out quite quick. Now, the filing that I'm doing, you can actually hear it, it's lighter. So if you put less pressure on the file, as I'm doing, you're then going to get a less of an aggressive cut to it. Right, I'm going to start sandpapering this. Just this bit. Just purely for the video. Just to see how it's coming along. Now, what I'm going to use, I'll show you what I'm using. So I'm just trying to adjust the camera. It's these. These are what we call in the trade buff sticks, and we make them ourselves. just basically wrapping paper around a stick, and that is purely what it is. So I've just concentrated on this one bit for the video purposely. Hang on, bear me a second on the video. Just trying to find, there we go. So you can see how it's starting to look now. Just concentrated on that one bit. And then I've got to try and roll it up, get rid of that pimple there. But I'll do more of an update on this a bit later, because this is now a 16-minute video. But please comment, give me your feedback on what I'm doing. Am I doing this right? Am I doing this wrong? Insofar as doing a longer video, do I carry on the video and make it like an half-hour video like a lot of guys do on YouTube? Please just give me the feedback so I know where to go with it, because all I'm trying to do is just keep everyone happy with what I'm trying my best to deliver. In the meantime, I'm going to carry on with this. I'll probably try and video it and then cut it on my Filmmaker Pro that I've got, to see if I can just reduce the amount of time that I've got on it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to your feedback tonight. In the meantime, I'll bid you a good evening. It's what's the time? It's 10 to 7, I think it is. So I'll post this video up now. It might take a while to post, because the longer the video, it takes longer to post, obviously. But yeah, I'll keep you informed. Good evening.